Hi, I'm Sabrina with the 2-Minute LRA News you need to know. Today we're focusing on the rise of ADA lawsuits both in the physical and digital worlds. This happens under Title III of the Americans with Disabilities Act and are often filed by a plaintiff's attorney looking to make an easy buck. Here's how these lawsuits usually go in the physical world. It starts with a demand letter. The claimant may have never even been to your restaurant, but the person or their attorney can drive by to see if there isn't an accessible entrance. Title III requires restaurants and bars to remove all physical barriers to disabled individuals whenever it's readily achievable to do so. Those barriers can be a stepped entrance, narrow door frame, a pathway without a sufficient turning radius for wheelchairs, improperly marked handicap parking, and then some. At this point, the plaintiffs are looking for a payout and will usually ask for a quick settlement, maybe some changes to the property. If they don't get their money, then a lawsuit is filed. Now, even if that person has never been to your restaurant or bar, they can challenge any technical violations within the entire property. Now, if physical violations weren't enough to worry about, you also have to consider digital barriers. This means websites, mobile apps, and digital communications. And in this case, those demand letters that we talked about earlier usually claim that the business's website is inaccessible to people with disabilities. The problem is the law hasn't caught up to the digital age. Even with that ambiguity, the Department of Justice has entered into several settlements with businesses over digital accessibility. So what can you do to protect yourself? First is prevention. Contact an accessibility consultant to see if you're in compliance. If you've gotten a demand letter, two choices: contact LRA for advice and counsel, or contact an attorney experienced in ADA defense. Most important, do not delay in responding to a lawsuit. A delay may lead to a default judgment. That's our 2 minutes. There's more information on the LRA website. I'm Sabrina. Thank you for watching.